Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is a Piazza Talk, our channel about our life in Lucca
And in the Tuscan hills.
Please hit the subscribe button. Grazie.
Well, it's actually our wedding anniversary today, so we decided we decided that we're going to go luxury yacht shopping in Viareggio, which is one of my favourite pastimes, particularly in winter for some reason. Not that it's winter now.
Well, there are beautiful boats there. They make this most mega beautiful yachts.
They do, and watching them build them through the gaps, if they have the doors open, is wonderful. So let's take our wander and choose our yacht.
Okay, have you prepared the checklist?
How about one of these?
It's too much hard work. So far, that's my favorite.
I agree, it's not too ostentatious and it's pretty.
Hey, wait a minute, that's perfect for dining al freschissimo.
What language are you speaking?
Al freschissimo.
Abusing your language. Oh, that smell of the sea and the sea air is just so good.
A lot of breeze on my face.
Yeah.
What about one of those? We can go fishing with them.
I think they're still too expensive.
Oh, mamma. Oh, Sila, there's a good gelateria near here. Let's go.
I never say no to a gelato. You know me.
I do.
Look, there's gelato for doggies as well. I'm so bad at deciding. Well, one can't come to the sea without a gelato.
How is it?
It's delicious. Even if one is shopping for a luxury yacht in one's imagination, the gelato.
What flavor did you have?
Rum e croccante and yogurt con, non lo so, cos'è dentro yogurt? What was in the yogurt?
At least pistachios, I think. Nuts.
È buono. So, do you consider a gelato is the start of summer?
Yes. Well, today is very summery after rather cold, misty days. Now, but the sea we enjoy a nice summer day.
It's a bit windy,
Yes, but it's warm.
but it is, let's hope, now we might get some sun.
I must say this kind of peanut flavor is actually delicious. It's wonderful.
And what's the other flavour?
Like yours, croccante with rum. Oh, I want that one, Celia.
Which one? The gold one?
Gold.
I think that's a bit over the top.
I like it.
No.
Oh, Enzo, is that boat all wrapped up my anniversary present?
I thought it was my anniversary present.
I want the wooden motor yacht. It is so pretty. But I know you're going to tell me it's too much maintenance, all that wood.
No, I said that I agree with you.
Follow me. Let's go to La Barchina and have fish and chips. Even though it's our anniversary, I just like fish and chips. It's our favourite place.
It is indeed, I love it too. Oh look, there are two admiralties.
You mean the anchors?
Yes.
Sono per io venato per dire sto uguale quello. La banca, no, vabbè, ma ci comprare. Ma ci si fa. No, la macchina
Certo!
Verso dietro lui che promette poi non cambia mai. Strani amori.
l'hanno mandato loro sponte.
Ma in realtà
Oh, what have we got?
We got fried fish with everything. Got catfish, calamari, prawns, lemon soup, and we got chips.
Fish and chips.
Well, it's a fish and chips actually, Italian style. Do you want to test the water?
That guy there is very brave, but I'm no fan of cold water swimming.
It's not that cold.
You go in there.
Okay, I will. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell.